Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? And today we're going to be taking a look at one of these batteries that is also a jump starter, can charge your phones, has this little case. Folks, if you're looking for a present for somebody that you never know what to get, if they've got a car or a truck, this is the perfect gift for them because it goes in that bag, you put it in a glove box. It's one of those gifts that it doesn't start giving until you need it. And even if you're not using it to jump your car, you can use it to charge your phone. I tell you what, let's take a closer look at it. All right, like we normally do, we look at it on Amazon, and there you see it's a lithium battery booster. It can start even a 6.5 liter gas or 4 liter diesel. Right now, they're for $70. That's not a bad price. Let's see if we can get any more. It's a 1200 amps service device, jump starts batteries up within 1 to 2 seconds. It can even provide up to 25 jumps on a single charge. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Let's take a closer look at it. All right, so this is what you get for $70. You get this nice carrying case, and it is pretty heavy duty, and it all fits in there. It's got a Velcro cover. Like I said, this is nice because then you can just put this away and not use it until you need it. You got a charging cable, this charge with a USB, and you get the jump starter cables, and everything is, this thing's pretty well made. So here's what I like about it. It's got 2 USB ports. So like I said, you can charge it, you're on a trip and say the kids got every single device in the world and you're running out of outlets in your vehicle and you want to charge somebody's phone or their iPad or something like that, you can plug it right in there. And then to get the jump starter in there, it's just a plug and play kind of thing. So just like that. Then it comes on and shows you that it's got a 100% battery. Now you're saying, well, how long this battery? Once you get it charged up, they're saying this thing will last a little over a year. So that's pretty good that you can put this in your car and know that 9 months from now or 12 months from now, it's still going to be fully charged. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that a lot. It also has a flashlight on it. See that? And how do we turn the flashlight on? We got to figure that out. All right, we're going to figure that out. All right, there's the flashlight is on. It's pretty bright. And it's just the on button. And then to turn it off, you just hold it to turn it back on. Like that. So you're saying, yeah, that's nice, it's got it on. So if you do need to jump start your car, you got a nice flashlight there to help you see your way into your, it's even got a flashing device. I didn't know that. And then it's got another flashing device. That might be SOS. I'm not sure what that is. And then it's off. All right, pretty cool. I did notice there is, besides USBs, there is a one of those ports on there too. And then to charge it on the other side, you've got, and that's where you charge it. So all these covers are pretty heavy duty. They're not going to be something that's going to break off. I kind of like that. The main one is right here, and you see it's got 3 tabs, and this is some pretty decent plastic there, or even kind of a vinyl to help it last a little bit longer. Let's actually, let's put it in its case and see how it is all bundled up. All right, there it is in its handy, convenient storage bag. I tell you, that's really kind of a nice spot because then you just put this in a glove box or behind one of the seats or under a seat, and you just got to remember where you put it. This also features over temperature protection, reverse polarity protection, and that means if you put, for some reason, negative on the positive and so on, that it won't work. Reverse charge protection, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, and over current protection. It's got a lot of protection going for it. So folks, we took a look at it for $70. I think it's pretty cool. I hope this was helpful. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.